Dikshit, today I am going to ask you the questions related to Abacus Level 0. Your first question, what is the answer for 9 plus 4 plus 5 minus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4?
41.
Very good. Next question, 6
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
plus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
plus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 7
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
plus 1
Yes, sir.
plus 9
Yes, sir.
minus 3.
45.
Very good. Next question, 5
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Yes, sir.
plus 6
Yes, sir.
plus 6
Yes, sir.
plus 6
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Yes, sir.
plus 9
Yes, sir.
plus 6
Yes, sir.
plus 7.
53.
Very good. Next question, 6
Yes, sir.
plus 6
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
minus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 5
Yes, sir.
plus 9
Yes, sir.
minus 7
Yes, sir.
plus 2.
19.
Next question, 8
Yes, sir.
plus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
plus 9
Yes, sir.
plus 1
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
plus 2
Yes, sir.
plus 6
Yes, sir.
plus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 1.
49.
Next question, 4
Yes, sir.
plus 9
Yes, sir.
plus 3
Yes, sir.
plus 5
Yes, sir.
plus 7
Yes, sir.
plus 5
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Yes, sir.
plus 7
Yes, sir.
plus 8.
52.
Very good. Last question, 9
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Yes, sir.
plus 1
Yes, sir.
plus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 5
Yes, sir.
plus 8.
51.
Very good.